What's up, family? How you guys doing today? Today we'll be doing an unboxing on the all-new LG Gram. So let's get to it. So let's look at some of the key features and specs that this laptop has. This laptop has the all-new 10th Gen i7, the 1056G7. It has a 17-inch display at a resolution of 2560 by 1600, which is a little bit special aspect ratio, because most laptops nowadays are a 16 by 9 aspect ratio. This laptop is 16 by 10. It will give you just a little bit more real estate, so when you're editing or doing some kind of productivity, you have more real estate on the screen. It has a 512 gigabyte NVMe SSD, a wired LAN, 10100 megabits. It has the all-new wireless LAN by Intel, the Wi-Fi 6 AX201, Bluetooth version 5, a fingerprint reader, and Thunderbolt. And it runs Windows 10. Let's get to opening this guy up. Cut. There. Cut. Flip it over. We are greeted with the laptop. And we have some goodies here. We have our power brick, which is nice and small. We have the power cable for it. We have here an adapter here for Ethernet, 145 to USB Type-C. First thing I want to notice about this, it is super light. Let's remove all these wrappings. It looks like a static electricity. This is a magnificent machine. Alright, so let's look at this side here. On this side we have a micro SD card, a headphone jack, two super speed USB 3.1 ports, and a Kensington lock. I really like the hinge here. One nice long hinge. Right. So on this side we have the power, another USB 3.1, an HDMI port, and a Thunderbolt Type-C port. So you can charge the laptop with either ports. I don't understand why they have it this way. They should just had two Thunderbolt ports and just make it more convenient for us as the consumers. We could charge our phones using the same adapter, and then when we need to charge the laptop, we could charge the laptop. Let's open the laptop up. Oh, we have more things to remove. This is a magnificent device. First impressions of it. The keyboard seems to be nice. This laptop has a glass trackpad. It feels really nice. Very clicky. Nice and big. We have a full-size numpad on here. We have all our function keys on the top row. Let's turn it on. Ooh, the keypad is backlit. And it turns on. So far, I really like the feel and build of the laptop. Let's do a screen flex test. It is very flexible, and there's a lot of flex on the keyboard. Even though it feels like it is plastic, but it's actually not. It's a magnesium alloy design, and its hinge is pretty good. It is very light. It is lighter than a MacBook Pro 13. According to LG, it passed a military grade endurance test. I really like the display on this laptop. It is bright, the colors are vibrant. You can see a very sharp contrast in your darks and your lights. I don't like that the screen is glossy. I would prefer that it would be matte display. The only reason why I don't like glossy is it becomes like a mirror if there's a light source from behind you. So it is very light, very quiet. It is on right now and you can't hear it. I will be doing a review to this laptop, so if there's any kind of tests or any special things you guys want me to do, leave it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I will see you guys next time.